Okay, so now you must know what so now you understand what is a current amplifier and what is automatic switch from this video. Okay, so this is a switch. Then if you want to make it auto, you need to put a transistor. So with transistor, then only you got IB, then you got IC. So we say this is an automatic switch if you put a sensor around here lah. Okay, then why we say it is an current amplifier? Because here got two circuit, right? Here got two circuit. So the small circuit, base circuit is a small circuit. So normally the I here is, for example, 10 microampere. Then the current here IC, normally we say is larger, so 1 milliampere. So how much it amplified? We say beta equals to IC divided by IB lah. IC is 1 milliampere divided by 10 microampere. We will get 100, is it? Yes, we'll get 100. Okay, how to know what prefix is it? Okay, can go to my channel if you forgot. This is, for this one, always use option 3 and you choose. Okay?这个 line 还是我自己按的，谢谢你。Always option 3 and you can choose, okay? I don't want to repeat anymore. You forgot, you check yourself. Okay, then now this one, the black one, very easy. Easier because they shows here already. Milli is 5, micro is 4. Shift 5, shift 4. Alright? So now next. Next, we are going to learn what is CBE. Like here, normally we draw like this lah. Okay, I want you all to draw in. Okay, like draw beside number 3, right? Page 160 beside number 3. 可以吗？来，一灯起身了，一灯。Are you okay? 起身了。Okay, 好，来 next， 来 let's draw 2 circles here. Must be able to draw the transistor, then you remember better lah. Now on the left, let's draw a straight line. Then let's draw 2 sengit lines. One up and one down. One up and one down. Then let's add one more horizontal line here. Okay, then we got 2 types of transistor, either NPN or PNP. But no matter how, the name outside always the same. So up is collector. I will call C, comma C. Left is base, comma B. Down is emitter. comma E. I will say CBE lah. So when I say C, I'm saying collector. B, base. No matter up or down, always CBE. Can? And what's the difference between NPN and PNP? You will see that one arrow goes down and one arrow goes up. Okay, N and P actually means N type. N type means negative type. P means P type of semiconductor. So now, this one actually shows what? Actually shows the current flow. Current flow. Okay, now can you please recall, current always flows from positive to negative or negative to positive? Yes, positive to negative. So now look at the top one. Positive to negative. Then positive to negative for the bottom one. Then a transistor actually is like a sandwich. Okay, sandwich got bread, filling, bread, right? So if this is NP, means this is another N. Okay, if this is PN, means this is another P. Get the idea? So now you understand how to get NPN or PNP, right? Like, let me test you. Right? What is this? NPN or PNP? Right? Jiawen, NPN or PNP? Don't look at your book. Look at me. Look at me. Arrow means what? Direction of current flows. Current flows from positive to negative. Can you tell me this is? 它有三层，好像 yeah, it's like sandwich. Can see this is bread. This is bread. Then the center is filling. So if the side is N, means another side also N. So we call it as NPN. That's it. Seems like you understand. What kind of transistor is it? Like Ethan. Ah? Yummy. How you know it? Yeah, current goes here, means current from positive to negative. So another side is negative. Yeah, because it's like a sandwich, bread, filling, bread. Get the idea now? Okay, good. Okay, but anyway, outside always the same as CBE, alright? Normally this one will exist in objective. So you can see 160 NPN, 161 PNP, alright? Now, how is the connection? I can tell textbook also shows the example about NPN. Okay, PNP seldom see in normal SPM. Okay, so you can see the circuit for this is called base circuit, like this, right? So here, the current flow in this way. we call it as base circuit. So the current goes through base, we call it as IB, means base current, 可以吗？ And yeah, okay. Sorry, I didn't wear spec. I don't know what you show. Okay, I just saw you raise hand. I cannot see what's on your finger. Okay. Yes. 你这样近我看得到啦，我又不是盲的，我只是近视，OK。Okay, then next, this one, 这边 the current flows like this. What kind of circuit is it? Here, base circuit. Here, yeah, this is collector circuit. Okay, and normally IB is much more less than IC. All right. So, for example, like just now, like just now, maybe normally IB equals to 10 microampere. Then IC here, normally will be 1 milliampere. Seems like 10 more than 1, but actually is milli is 1,000 times more than micro, okay? Huh? Much, okay, let's clarify here. Yeah, one of the way is press calculator easier lah. Another way is like 1 milli actually is 1 times 10 powers of -3. So 1 micro actually is 1 times 10 powers of -6. Yeah, okay, you might not alert sensitive to it. Like, let me change to decimal. So this one will be 0.001. Where this one will be 0.000001. Do you know what are the difference in between these two numbers? How many times difference? Times 3. Yes, times 1,000. Yeah, so actually they are not 3 times bigger. They are 1,000 times bigger. Yeah, when I was young, I also confused about it. 哎，请问什么？再讲一次 collector circuit 写Okay, normally we will put ammeter at collector circuit. But ammeter is not only ammeter. The current here too small. We normally say it is a micro ammeter. 可以吗？ammeter circuit. Oh. Oh, okay. Yeah. So actually this circuit you can say ammeter circuit or you can say collector circuit because they are on the same way. But most of the time I will call it as collector circuit because the current will flow through collector first. And anything you want to switch on, you put on collector. Understand? Alright, so now next. Okay, next we come to a potential divider. By page 162. Okay, so this diagram we can arrange a transistor in this way, but most of the time transistor at the center. Like, let's redraw the circuit. We will use a whole part here. Like, let's draw the transistor at the center first. Draw the transistor at the center. And for SPM, we most of the time we use NPN, okay? So this is C, this is B, and this is E. Okay, then we can draw the collector circuit first. This is the battery. Okay, actually one battery 1.5. But if you don't, if here got 12 volts, you don't want to draw a lot. You just draw dash dash dash, and you write 12 volts. Get the idea? 画了吗? Means here got a lot of battery. Dot dot dot. Dash dash dash. 可以吗? Alright, so 可以，有点远哦。你要不要坐前面？坐加 N 旁边很多位。是哦，很远呢。是诶，哎，那些工人装的时候随便装的了，哎。Alright, so in front of base, we got one resistor. We call it as RB. We must fix the current. If not, you will get this effect lah. But
This is a transistor.
okay, yeah, we must fix it. Then let's draw. Let's draw like this. And then we add two resistance here. We add two resistance here. I would say up one as R1, down one as R2. Hey, ma. If you want to switch on a light, where should you put the light? LED light bulb? Like Brandon? 是吗？是 Brandon 吗？ Brandon light bulb 放哪里？来，叫什么名字？你要讲出来的，来。讲不出来就是还不会。大声一点。C 那边 ，OK，C 叫什么名？其实C stand for cat, is it? No, then C stand for collector. Thank you very much. Okay, now we call this as potential divider. Apa ini? Now, can you recall just now the circuit and this circuit? What is reduced in this circuit? You compare this with this. What is reduced in that circuit? I look at. So can you see? Just now here got battery. Now no more. We combine become one. Yeah. So if our circuit. 再来，你们两个人跟我坐我这边。Okay, so see 打扰到我，你看我就忘了。We combine those batteries. Yeah, we combine two batteries as one. Thank you. Good reminder. Okay, then now we reduce one battery. We reduce the space for battery. Also good. Save space. And also everything for one battery enough lah. Maintenance also easy. Okay, so now how we control it? Anyway, the base circuit also at the bottom. Get the idea? The base circuit also at the bottom. Collector circuit still on the right. Okay. Then that's why normally we say this is B1 and this is B2. When I say B1, B2, I'm saying up and down lah. Of course, sometimes the question change the name, it doesn't matter. So, we also call this voltage as base voltage, comma VB. Can? Then if the current flows inside B, we call it as IB. Then the current flows inside the C, we call it as IC. So IB plus IC become IE. So IE actually equals to IB plus IC. 可以吗? We normally draw transistor at the center. This one we seldom see but also can, no problem. So now, actually what happened next? Okay, what is the meaning of potential divider? Yes, so actually potential here means potential difference. Hey, what is potential difference? Right, 建伟，什么是 potential difference? Xavier, what is potential difference? Alright, 站住。Yes, very good. So simply say it is a voltage. Okay, thank you. 什么来的 potential difference? OK, 不错，有小纸条，不错，可以。Yeah, simply say it's voltage 啦 ，OK? So potential divider means potential difference means voltage is divided into two parts, a few portions. Okay, apa ini? Like for example, now I have 100 sweets. Inside got two types of sweets, sweets A and sweets B. The portion would be 7:3. Okay, may I know sweets B got how many sweets? 300还是30？总共只有100，你竟然给我300，太棒了，嘉文！太棒了，嘉文！我以后给你30粒，你就给回我300粒，太棒了！很好，来围棋Okay, wait, how to get this? Mana saya tahu? 对咯，对咯。对对，是100乘3，然后除100乘3除10。So B got okay, I will say a fraction times 100 total. What is at the bottom? It will be 7 plus 3, and this is 3. Agree? So, like 100 will be divided into two parts, part A and part B. then into 7 portions and 3 portions. 可以吗？你们都忘记了 ？This is from one math。对，小学就教过了。对，忘记了。哎。So now get it. So total is 10 portions. Then B only got 3 portions times total. Get the idea called potential divider. Okay, good. Now, like, let's redraw the simple circuit. Like, here got 2 battery, and then it's divided into 2 resistors, R1 and R2. 家恩睡了啊。Okay, so now let's say R1 is 2 ohm, R2 is 2 ohm, then totally 3 volts. What will be? V1 means the voltage across R1. What's that? Sorry. Yeah, so it will be 1.5 volts. How we do that? 来，汉伦，怎样做的？哎，不是汉伦，是钢管。再来一次。3除2。我要那个 ratio 跟 proportional 的。然后是3，是3和5。Okay, so actually is 2 divided by 4 times 3 volt. 4哪里来的？Yes, so now in this case, the portion will be the resistor. 可以吗？ Now, it comes to the complicated one. Here got yes. Yes. Where were you? Oh, yeah, correct. Greenhouse members.
Greenhouse members.
Okay, right. How to get B1 and B2? So B1 equals to a fraction times 9. What is the total for the portions? It's not only 60, but 60K. K stands for 1,000 kilo, alright? How much should I put on top? 20K. Yeah, then of course we can delete that. Then we can simplify that. So answer is 3. What is B2? Yes. One way is 9. Very easy. This is 3 volt. This is 9 volt. 9 minus 3 becomes 6. Or, like we do this again to emphasize our memory. Total portion 60K. Then this one 40K. Then we will get 3、2、6、3、3、9、3、4、12除2、6。可以吗？ Okay, right. So you see this one. If you tilt it, if you rotate it, can you see it's the same as this? You just ignore the center. Then purples will be divided by two parts, and the portion will be the resistance. Get the idea? Good. Seems like you understand. Very good. Like page 167. Quiet. Like tugasan 3. Label terminal P. Like I want Valerie. What is P? Yeah, emitter. Name the type. Wait, let me call of transistor. Need the B. Why you so confirm? Yes. Okay, like that. Okay, I satisfied. Can. Yeah. So this is NE. Sorry. See, like this in exam wrong already lah. Very careless lah. Alright, now this one. This is the circuit of the fan. Name component P. Okay, you never learned this before, doesn't matter. P quarter means the. The is or the. T-O-R. Okay, thermistor is a sensor for temperature lah. Term is heat lah. Sense the heat lah, okay? Now, what is the function of P? Can I say to sense the heat? No, please don't. We say to detect the changes the changes in temperature. Now, and classroom become warm, resistance of P decreases to 6K ohm. What should you do? What should you do? Please write 6K ohm in where? Yeah, RP equals to 6K ohm. We know what this is. R1 this up, R1 down, R2 lah. Alright. So for me, I will write for myself. R2 is 10K ohm. Or you can just name it R1, R2 lah. Yeah, they write already, but I will rewrite to remind myself, right? Now, state the potential difference across X set, right? Let me ask from Ethan. Ah, Brandon, tell him the question. Đấy, stand. Đấy, cảm quan不要笑，怎样？也不会，你笑。9 volt。来，站起来，9 volt，OK。不对，来，嘉文。哎，sorry，对的，sorry。My fault。来，Ethan Brandon explain why 9 volt。Yes, across the whole circuit, totally is 9 volts. Parallel to it, also 9 volts. Now you can see here. Can you see at the end of battery 9 volt? Then exact also means from the end to another end. They are parallel, so means 9 volts will be divided by 2, but the whole thing still 9 volts. Yeah, thank you. Sit down, all of two of you. Now, like just now, see? Okay, like Brandon, very easy question. Let's say, if here is 2 volt, what is the voltage here? 多少？2还是4还是7 ？Brandon， 2 7。我看不到你比什么，我近视是还没有忙啦。多少 ？Brandon， 2。哦，不对，如果这边是2，这边应该是7，为什么？对，因为 total is 9. 9 divided by 2 parts. If this is 2, this one should be 7. Get the idea? One more time. Let's say if V2 is 5 volts, what is V1? 4. Okay, because total 9. Get the idea? Okay, let's sit down. Okay, that's why here total 9. That's why here 9, you don't see center first. 9 will be divided by 2 parts, a few portion. Means here will be V1 and here will be V2. 可以吗？ Okay, so now, yeah, total 9 now. Calculate the potential difference across the thermistor. Thermistor means they want V1. Can calculate now? 你怎样做的？ Yeah, very good. So like V1 equals to a fraction times total 9. What is the total portion, Kaya? Thank you. Right, Kaya? 16K. Please write K because 16,000. Yeah, I know later will be cancelled. Then this one is 6. Then we 6K cancel. With first calculator, we will get 3.375 volts. Hả? Okay. Then like class take today your home no need. Right, directly page 168, like 168, quay. Answer. Đúng không? Con lão nghe. 我感到半死，你们给我放学啊！哈。I got it, number one. How to do this? I encourage you use back the formula. They want RT means up here. RT means R1. Yeah, RT means R1. So we use V1 equals to a fraction times total. What is the total here? Don't know because we don't know this. Yeah, but we don't know this yet. How? Yes, we can do this. R1 plus R2. Up here, R1. So, what can we do here? We count everything here. So, we substitute 2 equals to R1 over R1 plus 20K times 12. 可以吗? Then we move 2 over 12 equals to, we move the 12 to another side, we will get a fraction on both sides. 可以吗? So, 1 over 6, then we cross multiply. Vân Si, 然后怎样？你只要告诉我怎样 next step 就好了，不用告诉我答案。所以就是6 RE 对不对？然后 RE 加20K 对不对？然后 final answer OK 可以。4 4 because 20K equals to 6R1 minus R1 5R1. So R1 equals to 20K divided by 5 4K. 可以吗？ Okay, like first, next we look at analysis. Analysis. The book analysis. Your homework today, do the whole chapter 5 can or analysis can. Until page 76, chapter 5, analysis. Đây mà. Quay. Okay, now let's see page 74, right? Page 74. I read and do now. Chị lấy đâu? Phải điền. 76. 76 and you finish 76 76 quay then now let's do this I encourage you write the info into the diagrams. Easy to see.
Okay.
Five. Hey, as current amplifier. 还有一个嘞 Yes, act as an automatic switch. Switch 不可以，因为它是 automatic switch. Switch 就讲它 manual 的 ，yeah. 对 ，one but of course you write one, but I hope you write two 啦 ，as backup 啦 ，right? Now is the resistance of LDR. 你们站起来会挡到后面人吗？好吧。Right? What is the resistance of LDR? So I would say this is R1, this is R2 lah. So how to do? They don't give any voltage. 有咩？ yeah. Here got 1.2 volts. So I encourage you to draw a voltage. 1.2 volts. 所以会做了吗 ？Brandon 会做吗 ？Brandon 告诉我 formula。V2 等于 fraction times 这里 total 6 divided by 2 parts. So 怎样 Yeah, times 6. What is the portion here? Yeah, right? 名号啊 What's your name? 国俊，哎呀，国俊来。Yes, total portion R1 plus R2. So obviously this is R2. Thank you. So now since we know this is 1.2, right? Brandon, okay 吗 ？Formula 它这是 R2， 你就 R2 over 两个加起来。So 1.2 equals to R2 divided by R1 10k ohm plus R2 times 6， 可以吗 ？Of course, if you feel this one don't want you can do this. This is 6, so this is 4.8. Can also up to you. Okay? 对，所以是 1.2 除6等于 R2 除以 10k 加 R2， 所以这里是 0.2 是吗？ 啊，所以就是0.2乘10k 加 R2等于6R2，所以答案就会是0.2乘10。2k 加上0.2R2等于6R2啊，0.4咩？不是乘进去咩？没有，我 simplify 了，我 simplify 了。所以就是 2k 等于4.8R2，所以 R2等于2k 除4.8。5.8，对不起，5.8，所以
然后里面几个两个满的 R 跟 R 跟 R
是哦，这个月减了，我乘上去哦。电竞你减为mathematic fail 呢？所以是2，所以是2k 加0.2R2等于 R2，所以2k 等于0.8R2，R2等于2k 0.8，250欧，对吗？好像不对哦。2500，谢谢。果然是 alert to digit 的人 ，good。啊，什么？can. 2R2 equals to 2.5 K ohm. K only, no marks, because what unit is ohm. And 对，可以，47，不是啊，2500，1.2，对呀，对呀，那你不要对呀，还要。Hey, while you are waiting, what should you do? Continue. So many homework. Wait, go to.这个是 R2，我懂了，这是 R2。因为你放1.2，所以1.2。如果你要放10，你要放4.8。Okay, like 9 minutes. Larry, look back to module. Quite. Model page 165. Right, model 165. You remember next week got 3 days Amali outreach. Monday physics, Tuesday chemistry, Wednesday biology. Are you not involved? So Tuesday we got no class, so we need to be rushed. Huh? I will be in lab with you all, okay? During outreach time. Okay, let's to this. Okay, just now, yeah, got explain how the bulb in diagram 4 lights up when surrounding its dark. Light. I explain the current flow first, then we write the sentence you memorize and you can just write it back. Understand? Okay, now first of all, before we start, here got a few conditions. Like you play games lah. Some new game you need to know the rules first, right? Or you, for example, you don't read the rules. You try, you die first, then you revive, right? From there, you know the rules, right? But this is not working in SPM, ah. You're wrong in SPM, no more tata balik, ah. So, right, let's learn the rule first. Number 1, we will put the things we want to switch on in IC. So, if you want IC flows, when IC flows means it will switch on. You must have IB flows. Means no IB, no IC. No IB, no IC. If you want IC, you must have IB. 可以吗？好，来。Second is the current shows low resistance wave. Low resistance circuit to flow. 可以吗？ Okay, then number 3 is what? Number 3 is LDR is a sensor, stand for light dependent resistance. This LDR got one characteristic, which is, please remember BL. No need search internet. The BL here means bright low. Low resistance. 可以吗？ Okay, like now. Right, 5 more minutes, fast. We just say the dark time first. 听来不可以。要讲什么？没有。讲啊，停啊。Yeah, go away, fine. Okay, fast. So we say LDR, bright low means bright low, what's the opposite? That will be high resistance. So now let's say this is in the dark. In the dark means LDR has high or low resistance. Yeah, in the dark now LDR has high resistance. So do you notice LDR is in the base circuit? So we say what? We say base voltage also high. Get the idea? Okay, then we say it can switch on the transistor. Okay, then let me introduce you how the current flow first. Okay, let's say we switch on. So first of all, the current will flow up from positive terminal. Then it will take corner. When it reach here, it got a junction. So now the current will choose wants to go forward or go down or go both way. What do you think? It goes to the left, goes down, goes both. Okay, like answer is okay, no time. Okay, answer is go straight first. Why not go down? Because go down actually is C. I see. As I said before, no IV, no IC. Now not yet got IV. So it will go straight and comes to here, reach another junction. Can you see now the current has two ways to flows? Either go down or go right. Okay, so go right because yes, LDR too high, so it will go to low current, low resistance one. So now when there's IV flows, yes, IC flows, and they combine become IE and complete the circuit, means flows back to negative. Get the idea? This is how we turn on. OK 吗？来，快点，我们还要写4个句子。
哇，还有1分钟，快了。
2分钟，来，pass next。OK， 来，write the sentence now. Okay, how is it like in the dark? Light in the dark. Number 1. Okay, number 1, because LDR as dark means high, right? So we say high resistance. Resistance in the dark. So that's why LDR at the bottom, right? So we say base voltage is high. Now base voltage is high. High means can switch on. Switch on the transistor. Transistor is a switch, man. So when we say switch on, actually means what? Means base current flows. When base current flows means collector current flows. Means the light bulb lights up because we put it in collector. Okay, ma? Then you can answer the analysis. Okay, thank you everyone. Bye-bye.
Thank you, teacher. Why high resistance, high voltage?
Yeah, okay. 什么东西？下午吧。哎呀呀，我还没有 record，我还没有 stop record。OK，拜拜。